gonna be filming another unboxing video. I know. I don't know why, but I like doing this. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to leave a like and turn on notification if you're new to this channel. So, yeah, let's get straight into that. Into that camera right there. Okay, let's go. Woo! Alright guys, I got my knife here and the box here. We're gonna be unboxing the USB Type-C cable today. So yeah, I feel like I don't need to fast forward on this because I don't think I need to. Okay. And they say that you should never cut toward you. People never cut toward you, but since I'm doing it, it's fine. Oh. Oh. Wait, something came out. Whatever this is. Okay. Here's the box over there. Oh, nice. This is a 6-inch cable right here. 6 feet. So, yes. Yeah. I know. This thing is hard time to open. Okay. I had a struggle, so I might need to cut. Right. Let's unbox this thing. Like, I don't need that. This is pretty cool. I'll take that off right now. Why is it not working? Don't do this, people. Just don't. Don't do that. If you want to do that, ask your parent to help you for that. But if you... It's good. So let's just switch back to the other camera. Guys, I got it unboxed, as you saw. And as you can see, it's very long. Super long. 6 feet. I can't even fit in the camera. Okay, so I have my battery pack right here. It's supposed to be for my computer right here. It's not really like a school computer, school property, but it's supposed to take it home. So I'm gonna test it if it works on that camera. I have it here set up on this other camera. Well, now I got the code. Let's see if it would actually work. Because this computer's USB Type-C, so I don't know if this would work. Oh my god, fits in. Wait, oops. Come on, let's put this in. Yes, I think it's charging. Let's go see. Let's go see. Let's see. Please zoom in. Please? Why? Hey, turn on the brightness. Right, oops. Now can you see it? Wait, let's... Okay. This is really hard in one hand. As you can see right there, right here. It means it's charging. So that means it works. Yay. Let's switch back to the other camera. It works. It's amazing how things let me do stuff here. Just checking if the camera is like turned off. This is actually pretty good with my battery pack. This cord. Oh, yes. This is a USB, but it's not USB Type-C, so that's good. Well, that's not good. Well, and then over here I have a lightning connector over here. I got this because my other cord, right here, you can't see it. Bring it out. Right here. This is the same cord as this, but this one doesn't. That one plugs into an outlet. So instead of when I bring this to school, I'll be perfect and ready to go. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I can't believe this code actually works. I thought it was not gonna fit in. So yeah, I'm just gonna publish this video today. It's good. Go check out Justin's channel. Link will be in the description down below. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications to never miss one of my videos. See you guys in the next video. Peace, guys.